second. There was a chance Elatula Mahob. There was a chance Elatula Hoto. I don't know. I think it was end of first half or second half. I'm not sure, but there was a chance Elatula Lakunto or Hoto, and he didn't finish it. And there was a clear chance, and then all of y'all, Mapani, you'll be talking about Gutina. Why is the coach still like coaching Magaha in which it was the same thing I was speaking about on the last match available. Yepagani Oguti, like y'all had like many opportunities, and like for instance, in case this game Bumele like don't finish if like you were being like honest, because it's a message of pair level into image. Okado also decided to defend. I don't know why he just decided to defend, and it is a like not even a bit disappointment. It is like so disappointing. It's like a team just like Mamelodi Sundowns, which are good available playing like in the volleyball, very pants, very of like rotating their ball, but comfortable on their foot to just ban to but decided like to defend, like we play like deep and put it like command, because like it was you were supposed to bring more goals. If like it was about me, I know which games were open available. Pirates, but say home, they are thinking of away goal. They will want who's available or will no matter what they be trying to like chess game, and then you just like exploit le basically Zabas Vulayo, and then you score, but ufaka yena another like right back, which is mad.